In this tutorial, we will see that how you can find out if someone hide their Instagram story from you. So let's dive right in. So here's the account. If I open it, we have just uploaded a story. And if I click on this more and open the story setting, you can see here hide story from one person. If I open it, it's showing my profile. Now we have hide story from our main account. So let's see how you can watch this story. If I open my official account from where I was restricted to see that story and search that profile, you can find here it's not showing me the story. So to see that story, there's only one solution that will work for all of you. Simply click back and click on this arrow on your username and click on this add Instagram account. Click on this create new account and here you can choose username and proceed it. It will ask you to write first name, last name and basic details, and after that your new account will be created. After creating new account, simply open it. So here's mine. Then I will search that profile. Here it is. If I open it, you can see that now I can easily watch this story, and this account is public. So if you try to watch story from private account with this method, then it's not possible. So this was the only way to find out if someone hide their Instagram story from you.